Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I make the sugar in sign. It is kind of long process. The wood is actually cut from the island. You glue it all together and put it in the laser, burn it, fill it with epoxy. So we'll go through the steps. I appreciate you watching, and if you like my stuff, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Right now, we're going to start with cutting boards. I got the saw all set up. I'm going to rip these and clean them up. We're going to run them through the planer real quick and then glue them. And yeah, that's a couple steps. So we'll get to work on this. Thanks for coming. Alrighty, so we're doing red for the leaf, and then the words are going to be this copper color, which is pretty cool. So we're all set up over here. I actually put a little dab of silicone at the top and the bottom because I don't want it running out each end. We're just going to fill the leaf, see what fill we get, and then keep going. Yeah, I don't know. This is the other one we're making. You guess what it's called? Yeah. This has been clear coated, but we're just, it's just getting gold. They don't want colors. I like the brown. The gold will just be an accent and seal it up real good. So yeah, we're going to pour those two. We've got the gold for this one and the red for this one. We're going to wait and we'll show you filling and pouring. There we go. We got our red. This might be a little too much. Not exactly sure. But we're just going to pour it, fill it, and see where it goes. I find it's easier to kind of do the outsides first. Let it flow in. It's going to get sanded. If you haven't watched my other videos, go watch those. Yeah, we're just going to flood this. We'll leave a little extra. This is all the fun you guys don't get to see. It's starting to set up a little bit. That's why it's kind of fighting me and not flowing. But I found that if you just pour it, if you mix it and pour it, I mean, you're supposed to let it sit for a little bit, but if you mix it and pour it, it tends to soak in really bad. Now this wood's been stained and sealed, so it shouldn't, run that bad, but you never really know. And yeah, I have way too much in here. Probably pour another one. I'm gonna see how the color variations turn out. As you can see, I painted it white. It really helps bounce the color up. But yeah, we're gonna remove. Well, actually, there's the other color. Can't really tip it. It's like copper penny color. I don't know. I did this actually yesterday. It's still a little sticky, but we can still fill. It's fine. I peeled up my little silicone globs at the ends here, and we're just gonna pour it and smooth her out. Just like we did before. I will probably speed this up because you guys are gonna want to watch me do this for half an hour. Alright, so another trick, torch. You probably can't see it. I've shown it in some of my other videos, but it thins it out, and it also pops all the air bubbles that are trapped in there. You'll get little bubbles that actually form into pretty big bubbles. Ooh, something I just set on fire. I'm just gonna leave it. I could keep playing with it all day and doesn't need that. Okay, so there we go. Next one. I still don't know if I'm going to cut it out first or, well, I have to cut it out first, and then it's going to get flood coat over the whole thing, but we still have to sand it and everything else, blah blah blah. So
hey, welcome back. Okay. Sugar and Sign. This is I'm skipping through projects and recording multiple things on the same roll, and it's gonna be a nightmare to edit. But I think we left off that I was pouring this. It's been like 2 weeks, but we're gonna go at it with 60 grit paper and smooth it all out down to wood. It's gonna look terrible for a while, but we'll get back to it. So again, a whole lot of sanding. I've got pretty much sanded how I want it. It's fine. It's going to get a flood coat. I'll probably hit it with 120, get some of the scratches out, but the epoxy fills them all in. It really doesn't matter. But we're going to cut it out with the good old jigsaw. I'm only going to do a little bit of it at a time. I'm not in a hurry to cut this thing out, you know. So we just clamp it up to the old workbench. Alrighty, got my dad's workmate, so it holds it up real nice. It wobbles a little bit, but you can see the dark part is where the laser burnt. So I literally had 1/4 of an inch. I should have just kept burning it. Would have saved me so much of this. 60 grit on the sander. Just gonna go around it until I get rid of the black, and we're done. At least it's a nice register on depth. So yeah, here we go. Okie dokie. I actually kind of like the burnt. I don't mind it so much, and it's supposed to be kind of outdoorsy, so it's not going to matter that much. I'm going to leave that. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to sand the back just a little bit. Doesn't matter, and fill it. The glue didn't fill all these holes, so we'll fill those, and we're going to pour the back and pour this other sign at the same time. Alright everybody, Sugar and Sign. If you haven't watched my other videos, please check them out. Give me a like and a subscribe. I'm going to coat this sucker real good. Sorry, I got a cold. I'm sniffling. Just a matter of, once again, just smooth it all out. And let her sit for a while. I'm sorry, I gotta pay attention. It's hard to record and do this.
but you get the idea. And we're gonna let her set up, and should be good. Hey, thanks for coming by.
Everyone. Sugar inside is nice and epoxied. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, back's all good. So we're going to polish it up just a little bit, but I wanted to show it to you before I send it off. It's got gold in it. Gold. Yeah, it turned out nice. Alright, another project done. Hopefully another happy customer. Hey, thanks for watching all my stuff, guys. I really appreciate it.